as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by. Me mind been bent on rambling, to Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision and followed with my will. I shortly came to anchor at the cross of Spansel Hill, it being on the 23rd of June, the day before the fair, when Ireland's sons and daughters all assembled there. The young, the old, the brave and the bold, with their journey to fulfill. By the little church in Clooney, a mile from Spansel Hill, I went to see my neighbours, to see what they would say. The old ones were all dead and gone, the young ones turning grey. I met with Taylor Quigley, he's as bold as ever still. He used to make my breeches when I lived in Spansel Hill. I paid a flying visit to my first and only love. She's as fair as any lily, and as gentle as a dove. She threw her arms around me, saying, "Johnny, I love you still." She's Ned, the farmer's daughter, and the pride of Spansel Hill. I dreamt I held and kissed her, as in the days of old. She said, "Johnny,